All right, April 20th, 2022, this military aircraft was under maintenance and the engine caught fire. We would get a call from tower. Hard to miss this fireball at night, but you want to, hopefully you've pre-planned this aircraft if you're working on a military base to know what threats are there if there is a fire. You want to evacuate this area. Go ahead, use the maximum reach of your turrets, put foam, and be aggressive and put this thing out as quickly as possible. It was a Rockwell B-1B Lancer. It's a bomber fleet aircraft, can go 1.25 Mach. It was under engine maintenance. There were 2 maintenance people that were injured, but they were sent to the hospital. It happened at this Ablaze Dice Air Force Base in Texas. You can see all the aircraft there. But yeah, hopefully pre-planning is huge in these type of scenarios. If you're working on any airport with military and ammunition, you want to have this all pre-planned so that if something happens, you're not thinking, but you can more react and try to get this fire out or get people out of the way and evacuate the area. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. This is ARFF. I'm Keone. I'll see you guys next time.